You have a sheet full of websites and you wanted to scrape emails from them and you seriously hate doing things manually, then this free n8n workflow is for you. So what we will do is whenever this particular webhook will got triggered, we will grab the rows from this particular Google Sheet where the website URLs was listed, and we will be sending those website URLs to this particular node email scraper pro, which was built by me. And if the email scraper pro simply found any emails, then it will simply returns back in comma separated values so that it is so easy for us to save them right here of that particular node back. So let us just test the waters. Okay, email scraper pro node simply extracted two emails. Just have a look. These two are separated by comma too. So we also updated the row with the emails. So let us just verify it. Okay, perfect. The emails were also got extracted. So yeah, this is how you can use this particular scraper pro, and this is completely free. But you simply this particular email scraper pro use your network bandwidth of your server. So it is technically not completely free, but apart from the network bandwidth from your server or your local n8n instance, there is no any paid API thing and all. So yeah, this is how this is one of the use case of this particular email scraper pro node in n8n.